Hey, so I want to do something a little different in my makeup tutorials, and I thought that maybe if I walk you guys through on how to do some simple makeup looks, I could help you out. So grab the Modern Renaissance palette, and we're gonna get that dark brown. We're gonna grab the Bear, and we're gonna get this color right here, this shade right here on the top, and all you have to really worry about is blending all your shades together. Because if you don't, everything's gonna look like it doesn't belong. Next up, we're going to do the bottom lash line, and what we're going to use is this one right here out of this palette. And then we're going to switch over to the Modern Renaissance, and we're going to grab this color. And next up, we're going to do the crease. And we're going to make a little crease line right here. And this is how we're going to clean it off. So make sure your crease goes right above where your crease line is. Okay, now you're going to just wipe it all off with another Q-tip. All right, next we're going to get our concealer and a flat brush and just slightly tap Modern Renaissance palette, and we're going to get this and we're going to place it right on there to set it. Next up, you're going to want to use a brown liquid liner or whatever liner you choose, but I chose Maybelline Tattoo Studio liner. I'm going to put this in my inner waterline. Before I forget, usually I like to use the white in my under my waterline because it makes your eyes look a lot bigger. We're going to use BH Cosmetics highlight palette. Alright, that should be it, and I'm just going to pop on some lipstick and I'll show you guys the finished look. Ta-da! This is it.